Once again, and as expected, the poll to let Taiwan join the 74th World Health Assembly has been rejected late Monday. It is the fifth consecutive year that such a politically motivated attempt, backed by Western countries like the United States, has been defeated.
Taiwan is an inalienable part of China. The UNGA Resolution 2758 and WHA Resolution 25.1 provided the legal basis for WHO to abide by the One China principle. The Taiwan-related proposal is in violation of the purposes and principles of the UN Charter, runs against the WHO's constitution and the WHO's rules of procedure, and is illegal and invalid. Since the outbreak, the central government has sent 258 notifications on COVID-19 to the Taiwan region. Health experts in the Taiwan region have participated in 16 WHO technical activities. The WHO Secretariat briefed health experts in the Taiwan region several times on information of COVID-19 pandemic.